he's gonna try to run me
Oh,
over.
no.
Ah! He
Oh.
ran me over! He's gonna run me over again! No! He just needs to, just needs to do his best.
God! I will say, like, part of the problem. I'm getting out of here.
Oh my god. I don't. What the fuck is my problem? Gosh.
Oh my gosh, these dogs are so fucking fast! Oh my god! Ah! Ah! I am. Oh, there's a fucking ant. Oh my god, he's fucking coming for me, dude. Sure. Ah! What sort of horrors am I about to witness? Ah! I fucking knew it. I'm sorry. Sorry for yelling.
We were doing some research. Oh shit, who's coming? Ah! No! Ah!
Ah! It didn't work! It didn't work! It didn't work!
And maybe I'm gonna jump to the other line. It didn't work, horse! Different for the next map. What do you mean the next map? Ah! Ah!
It's a fucking pig. Alright, it's not me.
I died. Throw it. You're gonna have to throw it back here.
Okay, it's not letting me throw it! Eep! Okay, look at that. Ah! What the fuck? Okay, it's just fresh air, guys. No need to panic.